Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up or create an account on Stripe Express. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. For this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference, and once you tap it open, simply type in the URL www.stripe.com. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface, so simply tap on the sign in button. After doing this, you will be redirected to this page where you can find an option called Create Account. So tap it and you will be redirected to this interface where you need to type in your email address. Simply type in your email address, then your full name, your password, and then your country. So once you do this, simply tap in the consent button and tap on Create Account. After doing this, you will be redirected to this kind of interface, which lets you know to choose your business name and your business website if you have. Then I'm just typing it in and hit the continue button, and you will be officially signed in, or you will have your own profile on Stripe Express. So this is how you create an account or sign up in Stripe Express. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.